everyone,
And welcome back to the Dog and Partridge, a place open for craft tales. If you are men for, he's battled through thick and thin today, flood after flood, torrential downpour after torrential downpour, but he's here, the real life Alan Partridge.
evening viewers, and this is my brewmaster brother, Dave Parrish.
How do you find?
Terrible, bro.
So, is it some...
I'm googling plans for the Ark. It's the, I tell you, it's ridiculous out there. It's raining in Lincolnshire a lot.
The end of the world is nigh.
But
Look,
it's safe in the DMP.
it is safe in DMP.
And what do we do in the DMP?
Drink beer.
Oh, so we do some of that then?
What else is there to do on a night like tonight?
Let's look, we're straight into it then, bro. Is that it? No, Happy New Year, everybody, and all that.
Well, of course, yeah, Happy New Year to everybody. We are back, but we're not back doing the Golden Partridge Awards tonight. These beers were meant to fit in over Christmas, but I come down with 100-day cough followed by 7 days of the trots. So we've been unable to do a video, so...
He's not been well, bless him. Yeah, you're right. He's not been well, bless him.
So we're back with the video of the beers we should have done in between Christmas. But we'll be back very shortly with the Golden Partridge Awards. I have done a list. Got to confer with brother, and then we're
going to take a little bit of sorting, so you know.
Yeah, a little bit of sorting. It's not as many as 10 out of 10.
What we could do is, while we look at the list, we can have a few beers.
Yes, that's a general plan for Friday.
Messy. Right, where are we starting?
We're going to go over to those guys, Muntons, who release a tap room series. This is a limited edition tap room series. Probably a beer I wouldn't have bought myself, but they've sent it to us.
Thanks, guys, at Muntons. So this is a sour glass, raspberry flavoured sour beer, refreshing, fruity, light, makes 35 pints. Does it really?
Yes.
It's £17.39.
Yep. Well, it is from that supplier. You get it various different prices, but round about that figure.
That's about it. That's all you need to know, isn't it, really?
Yep.
35 pints, 5%. Yeah. Right. Sour beers originated in the 18th century in Belgium, if you want to know that. Flavours some of the most interesting flavour combinations of the market today. Do they really?
I do think that Muntons probably bought these out at the wrong time of the year.
Yes, I'm not the biggest fan of a sour beer.
And it needs to be really drunk in a hot summer's day.
Yes, I'm thinking probably so. But we'll give it a go, bro.
We'll give it a go. Raspberry sour.
Oh, I tell you what, he's got a raspberry nose on, isn't it? Oh, that's definitely full of fruit.
That's definitely full of fruit. Raspberry and all sorts, really.
Yeah. You don't put actual raspberries in it or anything, do you?
No, just put that tin in it.
Just a tin.
You knew we needed an answer. I probably used Dark Rock's. No, they didn't. No, not with that one. No, sorry. Okay. They actually sent me the spray mold.
Yes. Remember you saying?
To actually add as well. So this is exactly as Muntons
intend to make it. Well, it's a delightful nose, actually.
It is.
I like that.
What's that sounds of a candy shop at a sweet shop?
It's exactly what it smells of.
Yeah.
Sugary, raspberry, fruity.
Candy.
Right, I'm going in. This is going to turn my face, I think. But there you go. Let's try it. Oh, you know what? Not as bad as I thought.
Not as half as bad as what you thought.
Oh, actually, I quite like that.
You know what? That's probably the first sour I actually like.
It is very candy shop, isn't it?
Very candy shop. This is
that
raspberry lolly. You get it at the candy shop and then you go and dip it into sherbet.
Dip it into sherbet. I was just about to say it reminds me of sherbet. That's exactly what that is. Alcoholic. That's some. You know what? For a one-tin kit, that's not bad at all. I mean, it's got, I would say,
probably a little bit watery.
Yeah, but it's a one-tin kit, isn't it? It's always going to have that slight edge to it. But it's full of flavour.
Full of flavour.
It packs a little punch. Crack a little beer here for the money.
And I mean, I reckon on a really hot summer's day, I mean, it's not bad to drink now, but that's going to tickle your taste. But it's not as sour as what you think, and I think
it's not.
It is sour, but it's almost got sweetness at the same time.
Very much so.
Just like a sweet shop.
Yeah, very much so, yeah. What do you reckon, bro?
Well, I'm actually kind of shocked, actually. Yeah, I'm going to give it a 10.
You know what? I think I am as well. Because it does what it says on the tin. It's a one-tin kit, it's cheap, it's cheerful, does what it says. Well done, 10 out of 10.
Well done. And thanks for shocking me, really, with a really just unbelievable.
That's quite surprised. That's actually the first time I've tasted that tonight. I am very surprised with that. Yeah, brilliant. Right, where are we going next then, Brian?
Right, I'm going to
brew your
Brewday.
Brewday, Brew York.
Yes.
This is Karma Chameleon. Get it? Huh? Karma Chameleon.
Come on.
Yeah, that's the one. This is a full grain kit. It's a super smashable 3.7 APA from the legendary Brew York.
Yes.
The green dream of super juicy and resinous hops, Columbus Mosaic, Simcoe and Idaho 7, uniting in a super smashable pale ale. There you go. Everything you need to know about it on there. I think the price on that one is £24.50 to £33, depending on what you put with it, I suppose.
No, it depends on batch size. I think you can choose your batch size on that one. You can choose 11 litres or 23 litres, so obviously this is a £30 kit.
Okie dokie. Right now. Anything you need to add to it? Do you add any of your own stuff in that one?
No, again, you know the Brewday guys, they come with all the instructions you need to follow. Everything's labelled.
Right, so this is going to be a super smashable. There's a lot of hops in it, so I'm expecting something quite punchy here.
Super smashable, and it is only 3.7, so it's been nice light session beer.
Okay, yeah. Because you usually get these smashable ones or hazy ones, whatever, and they're usually quite hefty on the ABV, aren't they?
Yeah.
So.
Oh, there's a good nose.
Oh, that's quite nice, isn't it?
Tropical fruits definitely in there.
Oh, very much so. In fact, that's a predominant spell there, isn't it? Fruity, tropical. Yeah, get back now with all them hops in there as well, can't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go in. Cheers, bro.
Cheers.
Very good.
That's good days.
It's very good.
There's a good dryness, good flavour from the stone fruits coming through and the hops. All balanced well. Probably a little bit watery, but
3.7. That's probably going to be expected.
Yeah.
I think, but it's still got good flavour to it.
Yeah.
And you could drink obviously more of it if you wanted.
Yeah, and those flavours, the more it slips down your palate, the more those flavours come to be on top of your palate. There's different flavours mixed in there.
Yeah.
Peach and lime.
Again, probably slightly wrong time of year.
Probably slightly.
I know it shouldn't be a seasonal thing, but beers can be a seasonal thing. And to me, on a hot summer's day, sit in a garden or watch a bit of rugger, that's fantastic. Well,
Well, I'll actually have a pint tonight whilst cheering on Scott Williams from Boston and Lincolnshire in the darts.
Yes, indeedy.
Indeedy.
Good
Beat the
luck,
mighty Michael Van Gerwen last night.
Yes. That's how we could end up with a situation where we've got a bloke from Lincolnshire and a 16-year-old in the darts finals. Yeah. There you go.
Could happen.
Could happen.
I can't see him being in the new countries myself, but anyway.
There you go. Anyway, enough of the darts. What did we say about that?
We said that was an excellent beer.
Yeah.
I did say that was an excellent beer, and I didn't say it was a 10 out of 10 beer. I'm going to give that a 10 out of 10.
You know what? I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10 as well. We're cocky tonight, bro.
Well, it's the first time back in 3 weeks. There's a couple of glitches there, but we're getting there.
Right. Third beer. That's beer tonight, I believe. This is a little bit difficult to read because it's printed out of the picture, but it is Jet Blackheart Clone.
Yeah.
Where's this from, bro?
This is from Worcester Hop Shop.
Oh, it's from Worcester Hop Shop, yeah. It says £19 and it's full grain kit.
It is, yeah.
Okie dokie. I can't really read much else on that because
it does have a lot of speciality malts within it, because I presume this is only Blackheart I can think of is the Brewday Blackheart.
Yes. Oh, yes. The newish sort of stout thing.
I don't know if it's called Jet Blackheart, but this is.
Yeah, but this is what this is. This is Jet Blackheart.
I presume that's what it doesn't say much information about it before, but that's what it says.
Yeah, not a lot of info on there, but all grain kit again.
Yeah.
And £19. That's quite cheap, isn't it?
Worcester Hop Shop are pretty good on their prices. If you are a bit frugal and you like looking around for cheapish kits, so to say, that are very good, get over to Worcester Hop Shop. We've got some award-winning kits on there.
Well, that they are award-winning kits. Right then. So look at this stout. Oh, yes.
Oh, chocolatey, coffee, roastiness.
Everything you'd want. Exactly.
Before I even start to taste
chocolate, coffee, roasty. That's what you're getting in there, isn't it? Right, let's do that. Dear Lord.
Oh, my life.
Shut that door.
Oh, my born days.
Well, that's bloody fantastic.
Well, that's the best beer of 2024 already, isn't it?
Oh, damn, I started early, isn't it? That is brilliant.
Fantastic. Rich, dark, chocolatey, dark, roasty, malty. Yeah.
That is everything you want from a stout.
And there's enough dryness there to give it that proper stoutness, isn't it? Which defines, I think, the stouts from the porters.
Little sweet, little bitter. You know what? You've got everything going on there. It's nice and complex, along with those coffee and roasted flavours. 10 out of 10. If I could give it more award, that's fantastic.
Get over to Worcester Shop or order some of those award-winning kits and this as well.
That's fantastic. Brilliant beer.
Because you will not be disappointed.
Oh, I know.
I'm now serving it through the Guinness pump with a 70-30 Sure Mix gas on.
So we get it pretty much as close to a pub beer as you can get.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
and that is brilliant.
That is
absolutely stunning. Well, there you go.
There you go.
Yeah. If you should tell what? Yes. Sorry. I tell you, it's the first time back. I'm not used to it yet. Coming up on the next video, Mangrove Jack's Hazy.
Yes, it's a new one by Mangrove Jacks, and you know we wasn't very impressed with their Black Forest Stout, so I'm hoping that they can redeem themselves by producing a good hazy.
Brew Brothers Disco Forklift Truck.
Yes.
I've seen that in tins.
Yes, I can't remember who it's by. It does say on their website who makes Disco Fork.
Well, that will sort that out for the next video. And Bros again, Odell Brewing Cutthroat Porter.
Yeah.
Right.
They're guys from down in Devon, and they've got their own shop now, and they are producing the food kits.
Right.
Quite a lot of them are clone kits, so if you do like a clone beer,
those are you guys.
those are you guys.
Well,
we've got quite a few on there.
Depends. We'll see when we try it.
Yeah, we'll be giving our fair opinion of their beers.
Lovely to me. If you're watching us anywhere else on that internet business, get over to YouTube, hit that subscribe button, and comment away.
Yes. Coming away.
That's about it, really, isn't it?
Apart from my gaffs this evening, don't comment about them.
Couple of gaffs, just ignore them. Thanks guys. First time back after Christmas, and a bit heavy, but
Yes.
Right, I think that's it, bro.
That's about it. Until the Golden Partridge Awards, it's a goodbye from him.
And it's a goodbye from him. To the
Who's on? To the king.